hologram pumped 50% before the market close, and we discussed it in our live streaming when the price jumped around our second profit taken. And of course we did chart analysis alert on our Patreon before that when the price was around the $3.48 and we closed around the $4.35. We're going to discuss the profit taken. Next up we got EHAM. We're going to discuss the squeeze area because we're already talking about it almost 2 weeks ago, the last year, when the price jumped from this level of resistance, the $7.77, and we said we're gonna go toward the 11. Last Friday we held above the 11 and went again higher toward the 13.84. AVYA bumped from our bottom level as we discussed in the pre-market update alert as well, from the 17 and went to our resistance level at the 22 cent. HKD hold above our first support. If we go in smaller picture, we see that the price bumped around the 26 support as we discussed it before on our Patreon as well, and the price went to 36, then got rejected. We're going to discuss where the support and where we should watch out for another squeeze for HKD. And of course lastly we have tyde because the price jumped from the 25 support and got rejected around the 40. Before we kick our video, we have a great announcement for our hunters for this year because Momo offer 15 free stocks, a chance to win $60K, and those free stocks is DKNG, GRAB, Tesla, AZO, and AMC, and many blue chip company. And how you can win those stocks, of course, is pretty simple. First off, you can just open an account. However, in order to win more stocks, like 5 stocks or 15 stocks, you have to at least deposit $100. And at Momo, you get AI Monitor, which is monitor the stocks that have potential to squeeze, HOLO, so you never miss any opportunity in this high volatile market. And as well, you get institution tracking. And the most important thing is level 2 data, which give you opportunity to know the price action just in 3 seconds. In the breakout zone or the reversal area, it's really count. Every second count. So the level 2 data is free for all Momo users. So use this opportunity and get your 15 free stocks with an exclusive link in comment section below. And let's get right back to our video. HOLO or micro cloud hologram. As you can see here, we discussed it in our live streaming last Friday that we always do at 7 p.m. CET, where we discuss all requested stock, prepare for Monday market. HOLO got squeezed while we almost ended our live streaming. We got near the $4.88. We went until the $4.70. However, the price have potential to squeeze. If we go to the big picture, we see the price plunged down last year in September. However, after this huge sell-off, we got market maker loading up on this stock for a few months. Then the price squeezed over the $3.09. That's why I alert my hunters and Patreon for this huge pump. When we broke from the $3.09, this was a really good trade for us, and the price went for the first profit taken, the $3.83, and the $4.88 profit taken. So what's the game plan? The game plan is now holding when the market open next week over the $3.88. And the best case scenario is a gap up over the $4.88 and going toward the $6 and then the $9. So this will be a potential squeeze for this stock. And the big picture, we need to hold over the $3 to continue to go higher and never have another sell-off. Next up, we got EHang. It was a good trade as well because we held this support that we talked about it in December before we end the last year. We said the $7.77 will be the trigger for EHang to go to $11 resistance area. We got a bit of rejection and accumulation, and before the market closed on Friday, we did a new high around the $12.45. So the game plan as follows. Holding the $11, confirming that EHang was starting to squeeze some more for this year around the $13.84 and then the $18.80. Next up, we got on our list AVYA. Oh man, this one is pretty volatile as well. We got accumulated in this box so many times. We got this huge accumulation since last December last year, and we got another test on Friday again after we bumped from our support, as we discussed it on our picture, on the 18 cents. When we bounce from the 18 cent this time, we have a huge buying pressure toward the 22 cents, and we did almost 20%. So what's the game plan? The game plan for the next week is confirming that we still doing higher lows. We don't want to go back again toward the 18 cent. However, holding above the 20 cent will confirm the breakout for the next time to overcome the 22 cent and going toward the 28 cent profit taken. And of course, the squeeze area for AVYA is over the 35 cent. That's why we have it in orange color. Any orange color is mean breakout zone. Any green color for us is profit taken, and then of course the red color is the support and the bottom. We got HKD. Oh man, this one, it was crazy volatile. In the pre-market, imagine we jumped almost 80% again, but when the market opened down in red. So what we said and discussed in pre-market, because we have to prepare before the market open, we said we need to hold above the 26 as a critical support. Hold it in order to have a reversal, mini reversal. However, this mini reversal is 35%, or almost 40%, man. So we jumped just in 15 minutes. So it was a good trade because we have an entry point around our 23 cent. As we said, this should be the support, and we bounced from it in the beginning of our trading session on Friday, and we got rejected right around our resistance, the 36. That's why we suggest to enter and exit for those kind of volatile stock, not just holding. Then of course, the next test for the 26, we didn't hold it, and we have now a new support above the $19. So what's the game plan? Now you tell yourself, is there opportunity for us to trade the HKD after the sell-off? Of course, there's always opportunity in the market if you know when you get in and when you get out. Now we have to break from this accumulation area. Any price breaking the $26 is mean a retest for the 36 will be the squeeze area to go again toward the 71 and the 111. Otherwise, if we trading below the 26, we're gonna have double bottom around the 19. And if we don't hold the 19, just be ready for the 1363 bottom or reversal area. So here we'll confirm a bullish momentum around the $26 after we break it, and there around the $19 if we broke it is mean confirmation for bearish momentum and going toward the 1363. Next up on our list, we got tyde. Yes, man, this one is pretty volatile as well. We have bounce from our bottom, as we discussed before, the 25 cent. We held it perfectly. Twice we have accumulation, but we don't have a volatility and barcoding. That's why the price didn't squeeze. Then again, barcoding above the 25. And of course, this time we have a huge volatility candle. That's why the price went until the 40 cent and got rejected. Now we have a flag forming. Next week, we want to confirm this level of reaction, breaking this flag from above and holding above the 14 cent will give us the confirmation for squeeze until the 65 and 88 cent before the $1 mark. And the 25 cent will give us a signal that tyde enter a bearish trend once we break it. Now we're still in accumulation phase. Level of support will confirm everything. If we still holding it, it means there is a chance to squeeze. If we broke the 40, this is a good signal for strength and starting to squeeze around the 65. The 65 will be first profit taken if we enter over the 40 cent, and the 65 would be a signal for squeeze again toward the 88 and over the $1, around the $1.62. We're gonna do update for those stocks. Hit the notification and the like button so you never miss any of my future update. And of course, we're gonna do mmtlp update after this video. So stay tuned for that and see you in the next video.